Hello, Thomas. So what we know is that when launching an innovation initiative, people often forget that innovation is a means, not an end per se. You don't innovate for the sake of it. So when you think about data-based innovation, there are different objectives that can be considered. One of them is to improve the efficiency of your existing business, for example, in terms of operations or logistics. Another one is to launch new data-driven business models, for example, in terms of predictive maintenance.
That's right.
And the third one is to secure some critical knowledge assets, to see there are some data I want to have and nobody else will have, for example, in terms of technology intelligence or customer trends. So what are examples of key innovation achievements that some of the firms you work with have delivered?
Well, for example, one of our customers is Air Liquide in France, and we work for the healthcare cluster of Air Liquide. It's actually a set of companies, of subsidiaries of the healthcare cluster at Air Liquide, who were trying to cooperate in a more efficient way. So what we've built is a common platform where all the data is collected from those different subsidiaries, and they're all aligned on a common model. So all those systems, they can speak a common language. It improved the operational efficiency of the healthcare cluster of Air Liquide, because when, for example, new material needs to be installed at a patient site because you need some oxygen, there's another company who's going to have to do the maintenance, and through this data platform and this common language, now they are informed in real time of the fact that this material is being installed, and they know exactly when they're going to have to come and do the maintenance, for example. So that's one of the many cases of improvement through the data.
Okay, so in summary, when we look at many organizations, we have the data scientists, we have the innovation manager, and we have the strategy team, and instead of working in separate places, they should all work together.
Yes, and that's indeed a very good starting point, because that's what you see in those organizations. What we are trying to build are cross-functional and cross-domain teams who are going to mix those different competencies and those different skills, so that you can have, and it doesn't need to be one physical team, but at least from a virtual perspective, those people need to work together to break silos and to deliver value and to start innovating with the data. So basically, as you are guessing in your question, the biggest challenge is not a technological challenge. It's a challenge of organization. And bringing the change in the organization is what takes us. It's the biggest part of our job, basically.
And so, what are some of the key pitfalls that you should avoid when trying to implement that?
Well, thanks for asking, because that's what we're facing on a daily basis with our customers. Basically, the biggest challenge is to change the ways of working in their organization. So technology is mature. The customers, they know they need to innovate, they know they need to leverage the data, but they usually want to start too big. So what we'll do with them is suggest to start small, build a vision, long-term vision, a target architecture, target organization, but address the change step by step, basically. Start with new innovative use cases, showcase the value, showcase the technology, and then start to grow and start to accelerate. But the change in organization, breaking the silos between the teams, building cross-domains and cross-functional teams with the cloud skills, the data skills, and the analytical skills, this is the biggest challenge for us.
Okay.